All right, gather around, children. Gather around. Take out your notepads and pens. We're about to create some really cool shit. Really quick before we get started, who here has vibe coded before? Knows what vibe coding is? A couple of you, okay. And we have some fresh blood in the room too. Oh, nice. Yeah, prepare to be amazed. It's really cool. It blew my mind when I first discovered it and heard of it. A lot of people don't know what it is. And the term vibe coding is kind of like a made up term to base, and I'll get into that. We'll dive a little deeper in a second, but I want to introduce myself first. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Zach Babiarz. I've been an entrepreneur for about 12 years. Been in the tech space on and off for those 12 years. A couple photos up there. There's actually me and Matt and a few friends, familiar faces you might know. We started an app company 10 years ago called Friender, and it's basically Tinder for friends. There's a lot of dating apps, and we're like, all right, we need some friendship apps. So we started Tinder, and we did it the old school way. We hired a developer. We had to raise thousands of dollars from like seed investors. We had to learn how to build an app. We've never built one before, and it was a huge learning experience, but also a nightmare because it didn't come out the way we wanted to. It cost a lot of money. We banged our head against the wall many times because you try to swipe right on it and it goes left, right? Like it wasn't working the way we wanted it to. It was a bummer. But I always wanted to build apps, but I never wanted to learn code. So code is like really complicated if you ever try to learn it. Is there anyone that knows how to code? I feel like, oh, you do. Very cool. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I never wanted to learn. My brain couldn't do it. I took a C++ like JavaScript class in college, and literally my brain fell out of my head. It was so confusing. But I really wanted to build apps. I wanted to build cool stuff, and I just never wanted to learn how to code. But now, with vibe coding, perfect timing there. With vibe coding, you don't have to know how to code. And that's the amazing part. You can build really, really cool stuff, like life-changing software that either is personal to you, like you're just building it for you in your own life, like, oh, I really need something like a daily planner or a scheduler or a finance manager or something that will help me. You can build stuff in days, which used to take years to build. Or you could build stuff for your friends and your family, like a group meetup thing that's just personalized to you guys. Or you could build something for everybody, something that makes you money, like a SaaS, a software as a system, or something that is powerful that you can have a full business with. So there's a lot of money-making potential right now, and not a lot of people know what vibe coding is. So this is the official definition that I came up with. Vibe coding is an approach to software development that uses AI to generate code based on natural language provided by the user. This method allows even those without extensive programming knowledge to create software applications.
Use AI to make that.
Yeah, no, a little bit, yeah. Good. I don't know if you guys know who Rick Rubin is. He actually made this statement. He's the dude that produced like Red Hot Chili Peppers and a bunch of, I think Jay-Z, like a lot.
Yeah.
Big music producer. Yeah, and he said vibe coding is the punk rock of coding, so you guys are all rock stars in here right now. So, yeah, we'll have to play some rock music later. All right, you guys ready for the first step? Are you sure? Are you absolutely sure? Are you absolute? All right, the first step, Reef, where are you going? You're gonna miss the first step. All right, we're doing it without Reef. First step, you just got to vibe. Matt, where's the music? Music, hurry up. Cue the music. Cue the music.
Lights a little bit.
Yeah.
Right in here.
Oh, it's vibey in here.
It's a little vibey. Shout out to Dallas and Matt for setting up the lights and making it look a little vibey. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, second step. You ready for this? We're just gonna do this for an hour and a half. Step 46, step 47. Oh, that's brilliant. All right, here's the second step. Everyone just Yeah, scan the QR code. So I actually vibe coded this website for the workshop. So we'll go ahead and scan this bad boy. If you don't have your laptop, not a big deal, but if you do scan it on your phone, then just open up the link on your laptop or type in itlworkshop.com. And don't, I guess we can create an account. Yeah, we'll do that first. We'll create an account, and I'll let you guys do that. Just go to, it's free. You just go put your info in, create it really quick. And then from there, we're all gonna build an app together as a team. So I'll give you guys a couple of minutes. Matt, cue the music. 2 minutes. My DJ Matt. Everyone's got that.
We go into this part?
Yeah, you logged in?
We do this?
Yep. So just log in. There's only one page to the whole software because it's just for the workshop. And don't type anything yet or do anything just yet. I just want you guys to have your accounts because we're gonna need it later. But what we're gonna do first is build an app together. So has everyone got their account created? All Gucci? All right, sweet. All right, so this is basically a Vibe Coder's toolkit. All the stuff you need to start vibe coding on your own. After you leave today, you'll have all the links. You'll have the database, Supabase. It's like a database where you store all the data. And I'll explain that a little bit more later. You'll have Bolt, which is the IDE, internal development environment. That is basically a container, and I'll show you here in a second, but it's a container that stores all your code. It remembers all the context for your code. It helps you deploy your app, and you can do everything within one piece of software instead of having to go to like ChatGPT and like, all right, this is what I want to create, and it spits out a little bit of code, and then you go into VS Code and paste it, and then you're playing like paste all this code and trying to like Frankenstein it together. When you have an IDE, it's like all in one place and makes it super simple for a brand new beginner vibe coder to start building the first app. So what we're going to do is build an app. So what I did is broke it down to really important pieces of the puzzle before you make your app. And this is going to create the foundational prompt. And it's extremely important, just like with anything, is to have a really strong foundation before you build anything. If you're going to build a house, you probably want a strong foundation or your house is going to fall, right? If you're going to build an app, you want it thought out a little bit more in detail first before you just say like a one sentence prompt like, I want an app that tells me where the closest tacos are. It's like, cool, but like, let's expand on that a little bit, right? So we're all gonna come up with an app idea together. This is gonna be really fun. And I want you guys to turn on the right side of your brain. Let's get creative. Let's have fun. You can be a little wacky, goofy, wild. Like, we're gonna make an app that's never been made before. And it could be anything. And maybe I'll spit out some ideas so you can start thinking, like find the nearest taco, right? Or manage your finances, or some type of calculator, or something simple. Try to think of like.
We should make an app that goes against that T app right now and call it like body count.
What's the T app? What's that?
T app is where girls get on and they talk about guys.
Oh yeah.
Guys.
I've heard of that actually. Yeah, like spill the tea.
Instead of it called body count.
Okay. All right. Well, there's children in the room, but we can. Well,
on there, page 4.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, we're not
All right. Yeah, right. He's like,
15 screenshots.
I got to get back at all the girls that put me on that app.
Let's do like a taco rating app.
A taco rating.
Like,
Okay. Rate my taco. Oh wait. Oh, this can get.
Taco rater. That's brilliant.
Yeah, this can go in two different directions really fast. All right.
Spicy or food.
Spicy taco. How spicy do you want it? Okay, I like this. I like this. All right. We're gonna call it Rate by Taco. All right. Now, what does the app do? Do you take a picture of your taco and then it gives you a rating of some sort?
Yeah.
Of the food, guys. Focus. The food taco.
I was thinking like where people live update taco experience.
Oh wait. So
it's like like she said, like the Dave Portnoy pizza reviews.
okay, like a taco review. Okay. So like, what do you mean? Like you take a picture while you're eating it,
Yes,
and then
you give it like your score.
1 through 10.
then you give it a score.
Yep.
Okay, so
It's
you
all based off of like regular reviews, right?
of your taco. Give it a score. All right, for a live review.
And maybe there's like different categories of ratings. Like there's a spicy meter. There's a
Can you guys read that?
whatever. I don't know. I'm just making up stuff.
Okay, spicy meter. All right. Yeah, start thinking. I want like a group. Yeah. Any other ideas? Okay, a spicy meter.
Flavor,
Okay, I'll put that in main features. Spicy.
Crunch rating.
the meats.
How do you spell meter? M-E-T-E-R.
Yes, the
How
meter.
about a good tongue?
MEAT.
How Mexican
Oh.
is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. How authentic is it? Okay.
Authentic, yeah.
Authentic is it?
Type of meat, because I love tongue tacos. They're rare.
Ooh.
Type of the type of meat. Okay.
Lengua. Lengua's fire.
I
Okay.
was gonna say that. Yeah, proteins.
Ooh.
We'll say what type of meat is in it. Okay. Cool.
I'm gonna
I like it.
this right now.
Any other ideas about the taco? Can you like share it with friends or something?
Volume. Yeah.
Volume. Oh, volume.
Size, that's
How
important. That's a very common thing. where
so
it's
how
like-
how big is it?
Yeah, it's like is it like 3 or 6 tacos?
Crunchy
Or
Okay.
or like soft shell.
Okay.
It tells you what kind of person you are based on the type of tortilla.
Oh, I like this. I like this. Okay.
Accurate.
Generates an image
Yeah,
of
your
what you
taco
could look
rating
like.
actually-
It tells you what.
It's like a rating of
Face.
how white to how Spanish you are. On like, you know, like, do you like mayonnaise on your taco?
On the color of the tortilla.
Is it flour? Is it corn tortilla?
Okay, so
Some-
flour.
Some white people.
Cleanliness of establishment.
Yeah.
It's like the same thing.
Yes.
Price.
Exactly.
Etc.
Salsa.
Yeah, if I'm
Okay.
That's what taco looks like. Taco, I'm like, this is-
Right.
This is not gonna be good.
So, all right. So who's your target audience here? Who we?
Taco lovers.
Foodies,
Foodies.
taco lovers.
Very specific.
Okay.
So not Mexican.
But like people that
SEO is gonna be super tight.
what's that?
SEO is gonna be super clean.
Yes. Yeah. People will find it.
RateMyTaco.com. Gotta be.
Yeah. That's got to be a website already. Yeah.
Are you going on right now?
No. Oh god.
We're launching tonight.
Yeah. All right, GoDaddy. Oh, do we have this domain? GoDaddy. We'll look up the domain after. Okay, let's stay focused here. All right, foodies, taco lovers, simple.
But doesn't it? Oh wait, you're not.
Okay, based on all.
It's available.
I'm putting the $49 down for the AI because we should get this thing and launch it.
Okay. I actually should put that there. Okay.
I'm gonna try my taco rating.
Okay. I think spicy meat. Oops. No, meter. Are you sure it's MEATER?
T-E-R.
I knew
My
it.
taco rating is a penny.
Wow, that's
That's
really.
why.
We're getting that.
All right. I made it bigger so you guys can read it. Okay.
Everyone has a graveyard.
All right. All right. All right. Design notes. So
This
So
is
you-
a good one, Mac.
So you upload. I'm thinking like you. Okay, it says rate my taco at the top. Okay, it says rate my taco at the top. You can upload a photo. So you have an option to upload a photo.
Does it determine your skin color based on the spiciness?
Oh, we could. I think it
I'm part Mexican.
melanin.
Sorry.
it says what type of person are.
So funny, well done.
So okay. Type of person. Is it skin color? Is it like fun or is it boring? How about like?
Are you white or Mexican?
We could do it. I think it'd be cool if it was like, are you a fun person? Are you a boring person? Are you a average person? Are you like? It gives you like some type of. That's what I said.
Can we modify
Yes,
what
this
we
is gonna
type
be
in
outside.
later?
What,
Like, let's say just what it spits out, we're not vibing with it. Can we go back to this?
you can always. Yeah, I'll show you guys. You can edit this. This is just the initial prompt to kind of get it out there and like get the basics of what we want, and then we're gonna go and edit it and make it like refined to what we actually want, because it's not gonna come out exactly how we want it, but we'll refine it if we want
And
to
then
change something.
This website, is this your website?
Yes, ITL Workshop. Yeah. Yeah. Well, this one, no, I've had this one. I did build one yesterday that I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. Yeah. All right, cool.
Also, can we, the ADI, what was that again? You said
The what?
earlier. You said you need to have an ADI.
IDE.
IDE.
I'll show you guys that. We're about to jump into that after this, and I'll show you what that is. Internal development environment, integrated development environment.
Is that what us web people would call a staging environment?
Maybe.
Similar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Container. It's a container.
A container.
You guys are gonna be quizzed on this later, so I hope you're taking notes.
I took notes. I'm
Yeah.
taking notes.
Okay. Good.
Note takers are leaders, baby.
All right. What color do we want this at? Blue, purple, pink, yellow,
Red is kind of a Mexican festive color with white.
red and yellow.
Yeah.
Red,
I
yellow.
heard red and yellow.
Pink.
Yeah,
I was
bright
thinking
pink.
bright
Yeah.
pink too,
Yeah,
yeah.
bright pink.
Bright pink.
I'm thinking Mexico.
Yeah.
All right, and pink.
That's
and pink.
strong.
Sayulita.
Sayulita colors, yeah. Yeah, you were in Sayulita. Just picture all the colors they had
Yeah.
there, and there you go.
Orange.
Maybe the rating could be how many R's are in your arriba. Like, are you just like arriba? Or are you like arriba? Yeah, or are you like just
The R scale.
arriba?
Photo. So that's a feature. Okay. Maybe it makes fun of you a little bit. Gives you a rating on the photo and makes fun of you.
Oh, I like that. Yeah.
Makes fun of you sometimes. Okay. Respectfully,
Respectfully makes fun of you.
depending on the photo.
Make them fun jokes like I remember my first taco. Yeah.
All right. So we got the name. We got what does it do? We have the target audience, the main features, the design notes. Now, how are we going to monetize this? I would say this would be like an ad thing.
Ads.
Yeah, ads. Like you put like Google ad or something like
That's
ads.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, it
Ads.
didn't mean like what you would charge to use the app?
You could do that.
You could do that too?
Yeah, but are people really going to get pay to see what their taco rating is?
Ads.
This
Well,
would
it would be
yeah.
good for taco companies.
I was gonna say, yeah.
My own route. That's why, never mind.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But you could.
No,
But,
local taco companies would place their ads on the side, like on the inside. of
Yeah,
the-
yeah. Local
Great
taco
restaurants.
companies.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So then there'll be a space on the app for the ads. Okay. Cool. Now here's what. Now this is what the magic is right here to kind of refine it a little bit. You hit generate prompt. So now it's generating. It's pulling it. It's pulling OpenAI or ChatGPT and an assistant I created to kind of refine it. It's putting it into Markdown format because it's more digestible to the IDE that we're going to use in most IDEs. So it puts it into Markdown format. And then what you're going to do is go up here and hit copy. And then I created a GPT. So you click enhance my prompt even more. It's asking you if you hit copy. I hit copy. So it's going to open up this GPT. And then you click I'm ready to start. And this is a initial foundational prompt builder GPT. And it's asking, okay, now go ahead and paste in that prompt we just created.
Can we just open our own GPT and put this in as a
Yeah,
message?
sure. But I designed this to help you elaborate on your prompt a little
Do you
bit.
have that prompt enhancing one?
Yeah, you have it too. It's on ITL Workshop. We all have. You guys all have it now. It's all there. So, an ITL Workshop. Down here, there's a button. It says Enhance My Prompt. I don't know if you guys can see it, the big blue one. That is how I did that, and then it just opens up my GPT. So, yep. All right, now we got some questions because we want to build a good foundational taco rating app. So we need to get the prompt dialed. All right. Now, is it going to be a web app or mobile app? That's the first question.
Mobile.
Mobile? Okay. Mobile app.
Mobile web app.
I was like, can it not be
Do-
both?
Yes.
Yeah, it could be. Or you can build it just for mobile if you want, or just for. I've noticed the IDEs do a little bit better building sites or mobile sites and stuff versus like actual React Native apps.
Oh, yeah.
So for the purpose of this, we could do like a web app just so it'll come out cleaner. So we'll just do that.
Yes, that's my first assignment.
And then number two. Let me zoom in. I feel like you guys can't read this.
There you go.
There you go. All right, number two, it's saying AI features. Should the taco analysis, spice level, authenticity, meat type, tortilla color, humor be powered by an AI computer vision? Yes. Yes, it should.
Will it always have these 5 questions just catered to the original?
It's going to be, just 5 questions that are relevant to what you actually have in your prompt. So it'll ask most of basically these questions, yeah, but it might ask something different. If you miss something in the prompt, it might be like, specify this a little bit more. Okay, so then we want it to do that. And then number 3, design notes. Any inspiration for the app's tone or personality? Funny, snarky, clean, memey. Memey. All right, you guys tell me. We're building this together.
Snarky, I think would be great for this.
Memey.
Could someone explain what that is?
Like a meme.
Like a meme.
Oh,
He just said it
Sarcasm.
funny. He just said it funny.
Meme.
Oh,
Meme.
Like
Like
spell
Mimi's
that
Cafe.
meme dash y. That
yeah. Oh,
Mimi.
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 Oh,
Meme-ish.
yeah.
Mimi and snarky.
Be a meme.
All right, do you want the app to give just one overall taco score or multiple scores?
Multiple in categories.
Okay,
Yeah.
multiple scores.
You're making it hard, Brad. I like that. Making it work.
Okay,
I was gonna sweat.
you want 0 to 10 scale on multiple categories? Okay,
Like, what's the spicy meter? Is it a 5 or a 10?
okay. 0,
I just wanna know the
Ah.
salsa bar in this person.
0 to 10 on
Salsa
multiple.
rating's a good one.
Salsa bar. No, I want to know what the salsa bar setup is, not just the salsa.
Number 5,
Exact.
user flow. Should users need to create an account or is it fully autonomous? I think fully autonomous. Yeah, because it'd be,
Anonymous.
oh, anonymous. Oh, I can't read.
And autonomous.
Oh, anonymous and autonomous. Yeah, hippopotamus.
Yeah.
My raps are
Hip hop anonymous.
hip hop bottom it.
Okay.
I wish that show would have kept going.
Anonymous.
I need someone who can spell to be up here and type this stuff. Also, this is a good opportunity to show you guys this other app called Voice Flow. I think it's called Voice Flow. Whisper Flow.
Wait, I got you.
Yeah, dude.
If you make like
What would I do without you?
a new goal.
Really open up ChatGPT to voice prompt into it.
Anonymous and autonomous. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, now I got
Hooked up to-
anonymous. Autonomous.
Is that what you use Whisper for? To talk into it?
Yeah, yeah.
Try it again, Zach. I don't know that would-
It's been bugging out on me lately. I don't know. Yeah. Testing.
It's so good
It's been bugging out.
to create your own.
I did. It just stops on its own. Testing. Oh, I have to hit a different button. Yeah.
What's the button?
All right. Cool. I think that's all the questions. So this is all going to make sense in a second. Just bear with me. All right. So we said those things. Now it's going to create a bigger prompt that's a little bit more like, thorough on what we want. As you can see, rate my taco. It's a memey, snarky mobile app that lets users upload a taco and instantly get humorous AI-powered review. It evaluates spice level, authenticity, meat type, tortilla, and color, taco size, and even the type of person you are based on your tortilla choice. Yes. Yes.
Score.
Yeah. Foodies and taco lovers looking for entertainment and validation or ridicule from AI. Yes. So that's our target audience. And here's all the core features. I'm not going to read them all. You guys can use your eyeballs. All right. Technical requirements, mobile web app. See how it's like kind of breaking it down a little bit more than how I did it? Cool. So here's all we're going to do is here, copy code. You're going to go back to your Ideas to Life ITL workshop. And right here it says bolt.new. This is the IDE. I'm going to open it. Dude, you were
You
here.
ready? Integrated development environment.
Yeah, you failed the quiz. Yeah. Integrated development environment. Yeah,
Integrated.
I said it wrong a couple times, so it's my
Well, that's what I
bad.
was saying, is that the same thing as a staging
You're doing
environment?
great.
Like as a web person, I create a staging environment.
You're doing a
I think
great job,
that's-
Zach.
Thank you, sir.
Crushed.
Oh, I almost punched this.
Use Squarespace.
Yes, sir.
Create an account.
With Bolt, yes, you will. We're not going to do that right now because we're all doing this together. But yes, you'll have to make an account. It's actually
You were invited by Z Babiarz.
that's me. It's actually free to use. It's free to use unless you want to get really crazy, and then you can start paying for it. But all right, it's cool. So all I'm going to do is hit copy paste. I'll probably move this emoji because you don't really need
So
emojis.
is Bolt the same as like a lovable or a cursor?
Yes.
Correct. Okay,
Yeah,
understand. Now I get
I
it.
think Bolt is the simplest one for beginners to use. There's a lot of them. I have a whole list of 20 of them if you guys want the whole list. 20. There's probably more. There's Cursor, Lovable, Bolt, Windsurf, Base 44. There's a ton, dude. But I've experimented with a lot of them, and that's what I have done on my YouTube channel a little bit, is kind of experiment and compare the two. And like, there's pros and cons to all of them, but all in all, I think Bolt is the winner for a newbie, and it's actually pretty powerful. So yeah, we're gonna use Bolt. So what I'm gonna do is just hit go, one-shot prompt. It's gonna take about 3 to 4 minutes, and it's going to do some thinking, and it's gonna start coding it. So if I go,
Do we vibe at this point?
yeah, this is where you vibe. This is the vibe part. Matt, vibe, music, vibe. So it's thinking, and it kind of talks you through it. It's got a bunch of AI agents built in, and it's going to tell you a little bit about what it's going to do, what colors it's going to use. Now it's going to start coding it live and really fast, way faster than a human could ever code. And it's going to start building your app. And it's really that simple. And we're going to wait like a minute or two. And when it's done, it'll tell you here it's done. And then we'll be able to click preview and see what our app looks like. And then from there, I'll show you a few more things. But that's like half the battle, is getting that foundational prompt, which is really important for Rate My Taco. And then from there, you can go make your little iterations, connect APIs, and make it like, all fancy like you want it. And a lot of times, I'm glad this happened, there's an error popped up. So 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get errors. So the IDE, it kind of recognizes what the error is a lot of the times. So you just hit retry or solve, and it'll figure it out. But then sometimes it doesn't. And then you got to get creative of different ways to figure it out. So I'm not going to get into all that right now unless we need to. But that's one thing to keep in mind. Like, you're going to run into errors. And most people give up when they run into errors, and then their app never comes to life. But if you're patient, persistent, you're creative, you're prompting it differently, you're saying, hey, find a creative solution to solve this, you're going to eventually figure it out, and you're going to create something cool. So that's very, very common. You're going to get errors.
Yeah, Zach, when you say beginner, you mean like somebody who's tech savvy as a beginner, right? Not like a true, I've never used AI beginner.
Yeah, I would say someone who's who's ChatGPT, they know the basics of AI, and
Yeah, I guess with like the multi-agent aspect of this, that helps with a lot of things. I've just always, at least up until this point, had the feeling that because I have a little bit of experience and expertise in some area, like I do have a level up on AI replacing me, because I can like walk it through based on the real world experience I have versus somebody who's never built an app before.
Sure, definitely. Yeah, you have that advantage. Yeah, you do. Well, here's what I've noticed. Like, I would say if you are an engineer and you have coding background, that's only going to help you, because there is stuff that needs to be solved that sometimes AI can't figure out.
Yeah.
But at the same point, I've noticed I have some engineer friends that they're resistant to use AI tools like this, because they're like, no, I already know how to code, and they don't want to be replaced. And then they just don't leverage AI at all, or very little, and then they're falling way behind.
I just mean like being able to guide it to the best outcome. Like if you haven't actually built an app manually before, or understood like the basic information architecture and like all of those things, I don't know. It just bewilders me that people are just like launching apps with no app experience.
Yeah.
Or, like online experience, or like it's just putting so much trust in the AI, and that freaks me out.
Yeah, rightfully so. Yeah, that's very, very valid point. And what I say is there's some best practices, right? Like security. Make sure you're not putting your API keys in the code, and like there is common security things to be aware of and that's where, if you can even build 95% of your app on your own, and then you go to an actual developer that knows their stuff, it's going to cost you 10,000 times less to make sure your app is like how you want it to be and it's secure, than having a developer build the entire thing from scratch, right? So there's an advantage with that strategy as well. But it's not a bad idea. Like, I have a couple developers I talk to that have looked at some of the stuff I've launched, and they make sure everything's solid. They go button things up and make it secure. So yeah, not a bad idea. So now, while it's thinking, I want to show you guys something that I I created yesterday.
Error.
Yeah, so I'll hit
So
retry.
what's your favorite under the EDIs or IDEs? I don't know what
The
to do.
easiest for beginners, he said.
And then cursor, windsurf, lovable are kind of.
They're a little bit more technical, like windsurf and cursor, a little bit more technical. Yeah, but for the sake of this workshop, we're just using Bolt. So
And do you feel that there's a LLM that's better to pre-prompt? Like, is Claude better just because it's better at code than using?
sure, yeah. I mean, it's not coding though; it's just giving a prompt. But you can use Claude as well. Yeah, you're not stuck with just ChatGPT. But most people use ChatGPT, so that's why I'm using it. Yeah.
You have to tell it about yourself.
You
I was
don't-
just doing my own thing.
No, you don't have to. Yeah. You can if you want. I love tacos. All right, let me get. So I made okay. This is pretty cool. I made this on a different IDE yesterday because this new thing from Google came out called Nano Banana. Have you guys heard of that? Nano Banana. Yeah. So I hate it.
The name or the actual product?
No, I tried prompting it like 5 different ways, and
Yeah.
it made the same thing every single time.
That can't be. You're doing it wrong then, because it's the.
Show me how.
well, yeah. I can't figure it out. All right.
Might be
Who-
caching.
All right. Yeah.
Say that sounds like
Go in incognito windows.
a little cookie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cookie in
build
your
in
jar.
incognitos.
That's- Okay. Oh, it's completed. But I want to show you this really quick. Very quick. Okay. So I made this yesterday in like an hour. Okay. And it's super simple, and anyone can do it in here. But it is a thing where you upload a photo of a product, and then you give it a prompt of what you want. Do you want Donald Trump holding the product? Do you want your product on a billboard in Times Square? Do you want it New York City sitting on a bench? Like, you get creative with this, and you can have your product anywhere. So I can either look up a product online, or if you guys have a picture of a product that you want to send me, I can do that, or I can pull one from my computer. But I can take any product and have and create an ad photo with
Show
it.
us with Nano Banano.
Well, this is Nano Banana.
Oh.
What's it
I
called?
like big product.
How about that product you were?
Yeah, what's it called? Mortal Munchies.
Mortal Munchies. Yeah, let's do that.
You
Okay.
have a photo on there, right?
So I'm pretty sure I have that a photo of it. Yeah, let me pull that up.
That's so cool.
Mortal Munchies.
Technical, but
Munchies is just
I
a.
do have a level.
Oh yeah, you have that one on the Instagram.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go to your website and pull that up. If you guys haven't tried his Mortal Munchies yet, they're delicious. They're like really healthy, organic fruit, dried fruit,
No seed oils.
no seed oils.
Blueberries, cherries, apples, mangoes. Get after it.
Do they have white pineapple?
Buy now.
Racist.
All right, I got a nice photo of it.
It's like 3 years ago. There's just
Say the errors, man.
type of pineapple.
You said
just
that's a
naturally
normal.
formed in
Do you
Hawaii.
have to go back and edit things when you get errors?
Was it?
Yeah, I'll show you guys that how to solve an error. But yeah, you usually just screenshot like the console errors, the console log, or screenshot what's not working, and prompt it and be like, hey, here's my error, and AI fixes your errors, which is powerful. All right, I have Reef's product up here. All right, there we got your product. All right, now that's prompted together. What do we want? Do you want someone holding your product? Maybe someone famous? Do you want your product on a billboard somewhere? Like, what do
The
you?
mango coming out and
T-shirt.
kicking a scientist in the chest. Big pharma or
Well-
food.
Well, it might be able to do that, but I'm thinking about like okay, like you see an ad, like you see on a T-shirt, like some dude wearing it on a T-shirt, like me.
T-shirt.
I need a picture of me then. Okay,
should have some on your computer.
but this is just one image, so I'm going to upload one image. So how about this? Let's make it simple. We can do a couple. All right, let's do. Okay, watch this. Have a mural. Painting.
I'm so mind blown that you type everything. I speak everything. Like, it's so mind blowing.
Yeah, well, I usually do it. Maybe I should.
I'm a typer too.
38.
Create a mural painting with this
My kids.
and have it on a brick
And I need to refine
wall.
I type it so I can like massage it more.
Oh,
But if I
So now I hit generate,
sensory experience.
ideas out immediately, I'll speak.
and it's using the Nano Banana API from Google to create. But the thing is, I built it on Google Studio, and it automatically put it in there. So that was,
Oh, that's sick.
yeah,
So you built this on Google Studio.
yeah,
So this is the IDE.
That's
in Google Studio.
fire.
yeah.
Oh, nice.
Look at that. So here you go. So now it's on like on a brick,
Let's,
a brick wall.
That doesn't look
Yeah.
Yeah.
In out of home.
Right now,
That's
we're
a
building.
Yeah.
Look at that. Big
It's
bill
very
here.
harmful.
Wait, like a digital.
If you want to
sign,
die,
like
eat
a-
this mango.
Put Isla up there.
All right, let's see. This is a completely vibe coded app, like, and I don't know how to code.
The
Right?
motto is kill your hunger, not your health.
Yeah, I can even put a motto. There it is, dude. Oh, that one didn't work as well.
Here's Little Munchies on Times Square. Totally,
Totally real. That one doesn't look as legit, but
Can you tell it to,
super
like,
legit.
Can you tell it to aspect it, like put a new aspect ratio?
You
Like
could.
zoom in and
You could
crop
just
it a
grab
little
that
bit.
image and pre-prompt it.
I could.
Zoom in to create another scene with this image.
Yeah,
It's too far
I
away.
think.
wanna see it closer.
Let's try like this. It'll look better. Like put it on a.
Like I'm on the ground looking up at
It
it.
would kind of be sick if the mango was walking through those people. Like,
You
It's
really
like
want to animate
Ghostbusters,
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
that's the vibe. That's the vibe. You
Like
guys getting it?
Godzilla maybe?
I don't know. It'll understand what I'm saying, even though I spelled it wrong. All right, so like a bus stop. Oh, I meant to put it.
No. Put a bag of that in Taylor Swift's
Look at that.
hand.
Oh, that's cool.
See, it's raining.
That's great.
Yeah, see, that looks a little bit more legit.
That's cool.
chill.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we should do. What's that guy's
How about-
name? The guy that just got married to Taylor Swift.
No,
or
Travis
proposed?
Kelsey.
That's the
So
guy.
Travis
You should
Kelsey.
have a bag of
Travis
it in
Kelsey,
her
like giving a
hand.
bag to
Taylor Swift.
but on a
Like
knee,
proposing with
Yeah.
Like, take
Oh,
a-
this would be good.
That's good.
If we can get this down.
I'm gonna take a video of this if it's good.
All right, Travis Kelsey,
Her hands as they're like around
the
her.
football
I
player.
want him to propose with the mango.
Or like, or she's in a garden.
Proposing to
Yeah.
Taylor
I don't think
Swift.
it'll.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'll respell
It
it.
shouldn't matter.
KL. What is it?
KELCE.
Okay. Travis Kelsey.
Yeah.
Kels.
Let's see.
Proposing. We'll do this, and we'll go back and look at what app we created. All right. Let's see.
Proposing to a Taylor Swift.
Generating your ad.
built this on Google Studio?
Yeah. Yes. Yesterday.
In an hour, apparently.
In an hour.
This is great.
Oh, oh yeah. But
That's
you can download it. So I download.
Hit him up and be like, yo, I'll do your content for you.
I'll be your new ad guy, dude.
Can you give it a reference image or no? Because you should say recreate the
But-
actual.
That's what I was having an issue with Banana Banana. I was giving it a reference image and I was saying, make this.
Oh, I see
this
what you're
type
talking
of
about.
style, and it
But-
wasn't
Like
doing it.
actually
You can though.
recreate the
You can.
engagement photo.
But the thing is, I have to vibe code it to be able to do that. But I can. I can say, hey, allow me to upload 2 photos, so I can do that.
Look, man, the vibes are never ending.
Yeah. All right. Let's
It's
see.
an absolute fire.
All right. All right. Let's see what the app looks like. 3, 2. You guys ready? 3. What? We all created this together. It's our baby.
Yeah. What do we name it?
Rate my taco. Show me your taco. Yes. Hot sauce delivery. 30 minutes away. That's too long. I don't want to wait 30 minutes for my hot sauce.
Subtext is
Yeah.
very.
I almost want there to be ads all over the left and right side.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
somewhat covering the content.
Okay. So
Like
that's
it looks a little Pornhub.
let's make an iteration. Have Taylor Swift eating a taco. All right.
That's actually genius.
I like how the taco's bouncing up and down. Look at that with the camera. Look at the camera emoji. Oh, look at that.
So good.
It's got an animation.
This is awesome.
Oh, this is. And then you can click this button here to see what it looks like on mobile. So like iPhone 16, right?
Phenomenal.
I feel like there's a network effect to this. Like, you could find potentially the perfect taco for you.
Yeah. We all work really hard to find the perfect taco. So,
It's a group effort.
so right now, it probably wouldn't be functional because you have to connect it to OpenAI with an API key. And all that is a big, long, crazy code that's like basically a password. And it allows you to use ChatGPT on your app. But people don't know you're using ChatGPT. They're just like, oh, it's AI powered, right? That's all that is. So you pay like a fraction of a penny every time someone does something, and it uses a token. So that's
go to the developer portal for that, right?
yeah. So you can do that in here. You can add the API
Is that
key.
any app we develop?
Well, if you want it to be AI powered, if it's not an AI powered app, you don't need AI.
Where does the data go?
So great question. That leads me right to what I was about to show you. Supabase. Yeah. So Supabase is the database. That's where you store all your information. So your user logins, photos, videos, any type of data. All the photos of the beautiful tacos are going to be stored somewhere. So you create a database. And I always recommend having a database outside of the IDE. So there's some IDEs out there like Lovable, Base44, and a few that have the built-in database. I had advise against that because what if you don't want to use Base44 anymore or Lovable? Now all your data is stored on that platform, and you can't take your code. And you could take your code and go elsewhere, but all your data, you're stuck on that platform. So what's nice about Supabase is that it is a third party, and all your data is on Supabase, which is a more reputable database. So, and then what's cool is you actually have to go and create a Supabase account, and then you connect it to your project. And then every time I talk in this little chat box down here, I prompt it, use natural language. I just say, hey, store all this in Supabase and create some tables for me to store all this information. Store all my users that create an account. You just prompt it, and it'll automatically go into your Supabase and do all that for you, so you don't have to. You don't have to do it.
Connect the integration after you connect the integration. Pretty much set it, forget it.
Yep. So you connect the integration, set it, forget it. It doesn't hurt to learn Supabase a little bit, like how it functions, like log in, goof around with it. But yeah, for the most part.
If you use like the Google Cloud Studio, when you're in there, does that all save internally as well, or and is it drawing from Gemini?
It saves into Google Cloud, so that's their database, Google Cloud. I'm not going to recommend Google Cloud Studio just because I haven't used it enough, and they're not. Google does everything, right? They try to do everything. Yeah. This company's trying to do just this, so they're going to be evolving a lot faster and probably be a better place to do it.
Will buy them.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Lovable's worth a lot. Lovable got millions of dollars.
Yeah, I think anything centralized like that is dangerous as a society.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
Anybody else want to go learn to shoot guns?
But look, you could take a photo live. That's cool. I wish it worked. It might. So sometimes these IDEs will give you mock data, like not real data, just so you can kind of see the functionality of it. So we can try to see if it works, just for shits and gigs. But
Should I order a taco?
yeah, let me just throw this in here and see what it says. Should I order a taco? So that's the photo I just uploaded.
Oh, it's analyzing
So
it.
good.
Analyzing your taco.
This is not a taco.
This not a taco.
I mean, that would be.
The loading bar.
I think a simple app would be, is this a taco? Would be hilarious.
Our AI is judging your food choices. I love that. So there's an error. So I just hit attempt fix. Now Bolt's trying to figure it out for me.
Yeah, can you show us the error repair?
So right now, that's it. I just hit attempt fix. That's one way to do it. That's okay. And a lot of the times, it figures it out. It goes, oh, sorry, I put this comma somewhere else.
Do I hit retry?
Yeah, hit retry. Yep. I didn't know you were building something. Yeah. This guy is ahead of the curve.
Supposed to do. I was just doing my own.
Oh, so we're doing a group thing, and then we'll do an individual after that. But you're ahead of the curve.
Just 2 minutes.
Yeah. All right.
I just called it like a load.
Let's try it again. We fixed the error.
Yeah, it's also called a spinner.
Let's use this photo.
Oh, there we
It's
go.
gotta be English.
That was my nickname.
It's gotta be.
Taco score 6 out of 10. That's pretty good. What a burn. Yeah.
Abuela.
Your abuela might disown you.
Size.
Spice 5 out of 10. Authentic. Oh. All right. So it's not very accurate because we don't have it. Size. We should do a rate by hot dog next. Yeah. They do a size rating. Meat. Carnitas. Is that how you say it? Carnitas? Carnitas. Tortilla analysis. Wheat,
You
white.
got that part right, I think.
Personality roast. Wheat tortilla. What's next? Gluten-free quinoa wraps. Live a little.
I love that. That's amazing.
Star rating. Okay, that's a lot of stars.
Hold on, keep scrolling. So many stars.
What?
There-
Oh, we're getting
Beyonce.
Instant serenades for your taco.
That is on brand. That's so on brand.
It's so cool.
This is pretty awesome, actually.
The personality
I think
grows.
this could be $1 million app.
How much to hire a local mariachi?
Walk insurance.
Let's see if it's available.
Protect your avocados.
Then you can sell your
Great.
super
We
base
found it. It's
data to-
ratemytaco.ai.
Yeah.
Ratemytaco.com is taken.
Should we buy it? Buy it for millions of dollars.
If you do my taco rating, it's a penny.
Yeah, my taco.
Oh, ratemytaco.ai is free or available.
Bless you.
Bless you.
MyTacoRating.com is a penny.
Take that.
Oh, that's too expensive.
Break it the bank.
Let's break in the bank. All right, so we made a beautiful app. Here's what I want to do. I'll answer a few more questions on this. Actually, let's make an edit first. Let's do an edit. Okay. What can look better? What can look different? Let me refresh it.
Is there a way to make it,
Block
for
insurance,
example,
did you see
actually
So good.
differentiate between the photo being a taco and not a taco?
So
And
yes,
then writing that in the code? And then-
yes, you don't even need to code it because AI can do that.
Interesting.
And I don't have the API connected to OpenAI, but what I would do is connect the AI, OpenAI, and then it would know how to do that.
Okay.
Yeah. But it would actually be pretty easy to do. Yeah.
Okay. But you would have to prompt, obviously, now I didn't catch it, so you'd have to prompt it or tell it that it should do that.
Yeah, I would have to connect my API key and then prompt it in the AI assistant, like, because you can go onto the develop. I don't want to get too technical, but you can train it to do that with
Awesome.
This is not a taco, this is cake.
AI. Yeah. All right, so
It makes fun of you for it.
let's change something. I want to show you guys how to make it. I know this is actually perfect, and probably should change nothing, but just to show you guys like something and how to make an edit on your app. Should we change some words? Should we change a button color? Should we change?
Well, let's say, for example,
Add something.
He found the domain. What's it called?
Right.
Taco My Rate? What is it?
My taco rating.
My taco.
MyTacoRating.com
So,
is available. So if we want to change the whole thing to My Taco Rating,
Yeah, just for fun.
The URL could be my taco rating and still rate my taco.
it's
Can
got
you
all
also
match.
just say make it more like silly?
Our taco judge.
Make
Give
it
like a general
Change the
vibe.
font.
sure. Change the font to what type of font?
Grotesque.
Specific.
Is that?
Grotesque style.
Is that a?
Montserrat bold.
All right, you're gonna have to spell that one.
I'm not grotesque, but G-R-O.
Speak that one in.
Yes, we changed the
Speak
font
it.
to Montserrat.
G-R-O, please.
All right. Wait, we'll try here. Grotesque.
Grotesque blunt.
Oh, there it is. That's a lot easier than typing. Font type. I wonder if it has that font available or knows what that is, but that's a good test to see.
Something similar, yeah, in the style of it.
Okay.
Could you say make it more sleek and like
And
or,
make
like,
it.
make it
It's an app. It's just
like model it after like I don't know, something crazy like a finance app or
Yeah.
something like
Make it a little bit more sleek looking,
yeah.
as you want. Maybe I'll transform it into something kind of.
Oh yeah, like glass.
Apple-like. Okay.
You just like I've had to prompt
No, you don't.
All right. That's a continued prompt to edit it. Another way you can edit something, I don't like how this camera is kind of like blocking my bouncing taco. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit Control Command Shift 4, if you want to remember that, or it's just a screenshot.
Oh, that sounds so familiar.
And then I can hit Command V and paste the screenshot in here. And that helps a shit ton because then it gives it context of like what you're trying to change. That's one way to do it, but there's a new feature on Bolt where it says Inspector, this little arrow. If I click Inspector, I can actually click this certain element. I could be like, I could click that, and then now it's gonna pull in, that, and then I'm gonna be able to, it'll know exactly what I'm talking about.
That's great.
Pretty cool, huh? All right, so I'm
So
just
you
gonna,
create whole landing pages and everything. through
yeah,
this.
yeah, dude.
You have to go high level.
All right, the camera emoji is on top of the taco. Can you space them out a little bit? Also,
So if you're just that specific, it'll figure it out, or is it gonna make
it did change the font here. I don't know, it probably wasn't what you wanted, but it made it dark.
That's grotesque.
It's kind of grotesque.
Yeah.
Is it grotesque? Is that the right font? All right, it did it then. All right, now I just did this one. I put a screenshot in, and it's going to think for a second. 4 seconds. Now it's changing it. Oh,
Wow.
wow, it spaced it a lot. It moved it a little.
How did Apple make this app?
Maybe a little bit more. How far can we go?
Move.
How far can we push it, really?
Let's try doing the inspector. Sometimes that works better. So this. Oh. I'll say move this farther to the left. Move the taco farther to the left. It's still touching the camera. Okay. Let's
That's probably
see.
the most fun I've had on a Thursday in a long time.
Good.
This is sick.
See, the fact that you even know that there's like an inspector blows me away if you're not from a,
Yeah.
you know, like how do you know
There we
that?
go.
Just by fiddle farting with it long enough and you figure it out. Yeah. All right, cool. Problem solved. Now taco can bounce freely. So
Taco freedom.
the taco freedom. All right.
This is what community's all about, you know?
Right. So let's think of anything else. Oh, Stripe. I'll just talk about a few other things. Stripe is a payment processing tool that a lot of people know. So you can make money. So you can actually integrate Stripe, and you can create like a paywall. So people have to pay to use your app, and that's what a lot of businesses do, right? If they want to make money. So you can go. You have to go on Stripe though, make a Stripe account, verify you're a legal person, you're not a scammer, and all that stuff. And you create a Stripe account, and then this can integrate right into Stripe. So you can say, hey, don't let them. I would prompt it. I'd be like, all right, my Stripe's integrated. Don't let them sign up and get past this page unless they've paid, right? And then you can do that.
The other option up there is the GitHub. When you commit to GitHub, what does
Yep.
that look like?
Yep. So with committing to GitHub, it's right here is GitHub. GitHub, for you guys that don't know, it just stores all your code. So it's really important to like put your code on private and have it stored in GitHub for multiple reasons. Let's say Bolt goes out of business tomorrow, and you didn't back up your code's gone, and now you have no app, and no one will ever know what their taco rating ever is ever again. So we don't want that. So you want to throw it on GitHub, and that's a free website. It looks like this, github.com. Well, if you go, this is why I put all these links here. So it's right here, right? There's GitHub. So it looks like this, and it stores all your code in something called a repository, and that just like takes all your code and puts it into a folder. And then what's cool is you can like send that repository to a developer if you don't know what you're doing and you want to do something. They want them to take it. You can take that code and put it in a different platform. If you don't want to use Bolt anymore, maybe you want to use a cursor or something. So you can move your code around.
Does it create your repository when you commit through Bolt, or do you have to set it up?
Right, you do it in Bolt. So if I say, let's say I want to publish it, I hit publish, right? Now it's going to publish it and actually host it on Bolt, so I can actually send this to friends. It's that easy to publish it. Or I can connect a domain. You can actually connect a domain within Bolt. Bolt will host your domain. You can buy a domain in Bolt, or you can go on GoDaddy and connect it. Now it's hosted on this actual website. So if I sent this to you guys, you can all use it now.
Shut the front door, drop the link, I'm in it.
It's not done yet. I gotta connect my API.
The taco's been separated.
But then also once you log in through GitHub, well, I'll create my repository right now. So like rate my taco. Right now it's going to create the repository.
Got it.
And then now it's already logged into my GitHub, and now I can now it's already in there. And it auto commits, so I don't have to keep hitting save. It'll auto save my code. Every edit I make, it's going to auto save my code.
And what language is Bolt?
Well, what language could it write in?
Yeah.
It can do React Native, like for Android, iPhone apps. It can do TypeScript. It can do all the languages. You can look at JSON, HTML,
I see.
all of them. Yeah, JavaScript. So now, how much time do we have? Do we have time you guys want to play a little bit longer?
Right, dude.
Oh, we got a little bit more time. It's only been an hour, right? We got some time.
Yeah.
All right.
24.
Now what we're going to do is you guys on your own, I'll give you some time. We're going to vibe, play some music, and go on to ITL Workshop. I have to pay Matt after this for being the DJ. Or buy him a taco and rate it.
I'll go that route.
So what we're going to do is go to back to itlworkshop.com, and maybe you guys have already started doing it, but come up with your own app ideas, and we'll create a prompt, and then we'll build it as a community and look at it. So this could be like something simple. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. Try to think of something simple. Anyone who wants to come up with their own app idea, and then we'll build it.
Like there and like just being sensory driven, and so by the time the client comes in, we're like immersing them in a brand world with like projectors and like smells and lights and all the things.
Very cool. Awesome.
Yeah, and so anyway, I was just building like an app.
Now from like a developer perspective, because you have some like, are you somewhat impressed with what it was able to do, or are you like, oh?
I haven't played around with it too much,
Yeah.
but I have wanted to kind of package it in a more smooth process than like a Word document or a Notion page.
Very cool.
So yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So sometimes with Bolt, you have to hit refresh. The preview doesn't show up, so I'm going to hit refresh, and we're going to see what his app looks like. It's loading.
Will it let me like put photos on it too, and people can like scan my code?
Yeah, it won't be a completed product, but that's whatever your prompt said, whatever you told it to do, it should do that.
So I can't like actually make it an app.
You can, but it won't be done with one prompt, right? You need to actually remake it. There's a couple more steps involved. Yeah. Cool. All right.
Taco about it?
Here we go.
Wait, that should have been the name.
That's cool. So it's got.
We have a new app name. Creative came to it.
So this is an actual React Native app that he made, and
I told you to come.
and now it's using mock data for the photos, but that's really cool. It's like all sports photos. Text me, Instagram
Can I
DM.
delete some of those too?
Sure. Yeah. So like,
make
is there one let's say you wanted to add your phone number into the text me, because right now it's not doing anything, right? What you would do, you could screenshot it, or you can click the element. I'm just used to doing that because it's a new tool. Or you can just click the element, and then you go in here and say, when someone clicks this button, text this number, and open up a feature for them to text this number, right? So that's what you would do to make it more functional and live. And same with Instagram. I would click the button and be like, all right, if someone clicks this button, send them to this link and put your Instagram link in there. If you don't like this photo, you would select it and be like, replace it with this photo. One thing to know with these IDEs, don't just take a photo and paste it in there and say, hey, use this photo. It's not going to understand that. You have to host the photo on a photo hosting website first and put the link in there, and then it'll work.
It's like Google Drive.
Google Drive with a link. I use convertwave.ai, no pun intended. Yeah, I host all my stuff in there.
What if I wanted like two like big columns for like a mobile app?
Logo for talent.
What if I just wanted sports and cars?
Oh, yeah.
Like
Like
two sections.
yeah.
You know how there's like a lot?
So you wanted one column instead of two?
Yeah, no, just like one like sports
Okay, this is cool.
photography and then one that says art photography. That's it.
Yeah,
Just
then
like one.
then it would just be a prompt. So you'd go here and say that. So I'll hold function, and then if you want to speak and say what you want it to do. So you can type. Yeah, I can type it.
What should I say?
So you wanted it. Say it one more time. Like you wanted it separate. Sports.
I just wanted like one. So you know how there's like one big one of sports, and then you click on it, you see all my photos, and then another one which is cars under it.
Yeah.
And then you click on that, and you see all my car photos.
Okay. Okay. All right. So then instead of having.
Just like one. Yeah, instead of having like just all four of those, you pick one, and then once you click on it, you can see every single one.
Okay. All right. So I know what to say here. So then I'd be like,
What an unlock, dude. What an unlock.
oh, yeah, other people are talking.
Dude, get up there and show them.
So instead of having 4 photos for sports photography, just have one, and then when you click the photo, it opens up to all the photos.
Still picking up brain bits from the floor. Like,
Look at his.
mind blown.
Look
I'm
at
still
his.
working on it.
Look at his tabs. And
Okay.
then
So now I prompted
Like an
it.
official app, I can't like
because
actually.
no, there's
So it needs a little work. You have to deploy it so it's active, and you have to put it onto the App Store. There's a little bit more work, but you've got like, what, 50% of it done. So there's a little bit more work to get it fully completed.
Calls,
Yeah.
and I'll have him do it. And
Yeah.
whatever you want, I'm happy with that.
Cool. Yeah. Sounds good. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll set it up. I'll have
Because we
you
have to
set up
set
a
up the
call.
app.
Yeah, there's a lot you got to do to get it to work. But if you want it to work, he's going to start taking photos from tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
But you could set up time.
Right. We'll make it work.
We'll set it up and make it work.
Yeah.
And by game 2 or 3, boom.
Yeah. Yeah. Apps used to take years to make. You're doing it in an hour. Yeah.
Dude, the one that I made, I believe you, it probably would take a month.
Yeah. Yours is pretty complicated.
It's
Yeah.
very complicated.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
have something very specific in mind.
That's cool. I love it. We're bringing ideas to life. This is cool.
Yeah, like that. But it would be like my photos, right? Like, I can just make it
Sure.
my
Yeah. You can upload your photos.
And it doesn't have to say like basketball action. And then for sports, for cars, it'd be the same thing. It would just be one column.
Yep.
You click on it and you see everything.
Yep. You can delete the words. You can edit anything. Fully customizable. Everything you want it. We can make it look exactly how you want it to look. Yeah. Yep. Thanks, dude. Thanks for sharing. I appreciate it. Yeah. Very cool. All right. .com. It says feedback form. That yellow button. And then also I'm storing my prompts in here. So if you guys, I'm creating prompts that are like cool shit that people would want. And like Linktree, where people have to usually pay for it, you can vibe code your own Linktree for free. And here's the prompt for it. It's in ITL Workshop. So you go to pre-made prompts, click this, Linktree lookalike, and then it kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. And then if you scroll down, you just say use this prompt, and you can copy it. Now it's gonna scroll down to here, and you can just hit copy.
So you can essentially create a link tree, but instead of the links only and list, you can put a video between each.
You can do anything.
Explain what each one is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sick. Link tree on steroids.
Exactly, dude. Yeah, you can do a better link tree, honestly. You could do any color, any button, anything. Video. Yeah. For free.
I build all my clients on their websites their own link page. And I'm like, why are we even using Linktree? You're giving them your traffic.
Exactly.
It's more clicks.
Exactly.
It costs money.
Make your own for free.
Link roots.
They don't know. They just don't know.
Yeah. So that's it. I don't have anything else for you guys, but any questions? But please leave feedback.
How many $100 it would be for you to come and talk to my team and just kind of show them what you did here for fun, kicks, and giggles for an hour, 2 or 3, just so that they can.
Like 20, 25,000.
Perfect. No, or yin?
No, I don't know. We can figure that out. You've helped me a lot, so I'll help you.
How's $500 sound? That sound good?
Sure.
Done deal.
All right, done. Shake. I'll shake on it.
Yeah, we're shaking. We're shooking.
We're shooken.
All right,
Virtual
book
shake.
For Monday,
All right.
I'll sit with him too,
Okay. Cool.
and then I'll do a separate booking for me,
Okay.
and then my wife wants to do one.
Yeah. Let's do it, man. Let's have fun. That's vibe. Yeah.
My kid who's 7 was jealous that he was here, and I want to.
Yeah. We'll make one for him too. Yeah. Thanks for coming, guys. You guys are awesome. Yeah. Yeah.
Doing a 6-ball track with like a.
Thank you.
This is also a monthly series, by the way.
Yeah. Monthly.
I will come.
Thanks, bro. It was fun.
Yeah.
That was fun. Yeah. Really good. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so fun.